Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you nationwide online banking, how to transfer money. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. You can transfer money using nationwide online banking in few simple steps. So if you're using it from your mobile app, head over and open up your nationwide mobile app and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, here what you need to do is select or tap on move money or payment and transfers. Then choose the account you want to transfer money from, then select whether you are sending money to your own nationwide account, a saved payee or new payee, then enter the amount, reference and payment details, confirm the transfer using your card reader, then click confirm to complete the transactions. Now if you are using it from your browser, what you need to do is head over and open up your browser and then on the search bar type in nationwide, then tap on the first link that is shown to you. Now once you're inside your nationwide homepage, what you need to do is sign in and then tap on move money or payment transfers, then choose your account you want to transfer from, then follow the on-screen prompts to successfully complete the process. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.